Next one. Activity 10. The accounting period of Bimali's business ends on 31st 12 2024. The trial balance as at 31st 12 2024 is given below. And the there is a capital 400,000, trade debtors 34,000, trade creditors 45,000, stock asset 1/1/2024 60,000, purchase 395,000, carriage inwards 15,000, sales commission 9,000, insurance expenses 12,000, rent income 30,000, discount received 6,000, sales 650,000, discount given 3,000, and machinery and equipment 120,000, buildings 500,000, bank loan to be settled after 4 years 160,000, interest expenses 16,000, and the bank overdraft 20,000, cash in hand 155,000, bad debt 7,000, salaries administration 25,000, bank charge 4,000. So, they ask the profit or loss statement for the year ended 31st December 2024 and the statement of financial position as at 31st December 2024. Right? Can you clearly see a whole board? මේ පැත්ත දෙක පේනවද? අවුලක් නැද්ද?
හොලනේ.
හරි. මම මේ පැත්ත ගහනවා profit and loss statement එක මේ පැත්ත මම ගහනවා statement of financial position. අපි මේක අහගන්න. අපි ගාණක් හදද්දී මේ වගේ ගාණක් හදද්දී ළමයි firstly you should read all the things, right? Detailedly you should read all the things, then you just start to draw the formats for this profit and loss statement and the statement of the financial position. You should draw these two formats at the same time, right? So then you come to calculate the and put all the relevant items to the relevant formats, which means profit or loss statement or statement of the financial position, right? So that is the main steps we should follow when you see the this kind of activity, right? This kind of question, right? So firstly I prepare the profit and loss statement. You should write Bimali's business profit and loss statement, profit and loss statement for the year ended 31st 2024, right? Sales, cost of sales, and other incomes, and the expenses in your distribution expenses, administration expenses, and other financial expenses and other expenses. other expenses. Lastly, we get the profit or loss for the year. Right. Right. Then comes to statement of the financial position. Vimali's business. Statement of the financial position. Financial position as at 31st 12 24. Assets. Non current asset, current asset, total assets. Okay. And equity and liabilities, non-current liabilities, current liabilities, total equity and liabilities. Right. Okay. Now we come to question. Okay. Firstly, this capital is 400,000. Okay. ඒක තියන්න ළමයි. මොකද මේ capital එක මේකේ මේ තියෙන capital එක අපිට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් මේ කියන capital එක 31st තියෙන capital එකද final capital එකද නැත්නම් 1st of January තියෙන මොනවාද capital එක අපිට හොයා ගන්න පුළුවන් අන්තිමටම මේක calculate කරලා ආවට පස්සේ. ඒ කියන්නේ මේක final capital එක නම් මේක profit එක එකතු කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. දැන් මෙතන ගන්න profit එක මෙතන equity එකේ equity opening equity එකට අපි add කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. එහෙමනම් හරිද? හැබැයි අපි මේක බලමු. මේක අන්තිමට තමයි අපිට බලන්න පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් අපිට නිකන් roughly අපිට හිතන්න පුළුවන් මේ තියෙන capital එක final capital එක තමයි කියලා අපිට හිතන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? මම ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් තියලා මම දැන් ඊළඟ තැන ඉඳන් වැඩ ටික පටන් ගන්නවා. trade debtors. trade debtors ලා අපි දාන්න කෙලින්ම කොතනද current assets. trade debtors, right? Trade debtors 34,000. trade debtors 34,000. And the trade creditors trade creditors 45,000. trade creditors 45,000. trade creditors 45,000. Stock as at 1st of January 2024. But in here, statement of financial portion, we should show the stock as at 31st 12 2024. අපි මෙතන පෙන්නන්නේ ළමයි මේ මතක තියාගන්න මේ statement of the financial portion එකේ අපි පෙන්නන්නේ මේ 31st වලට. අර මේ 31st වලට තියෙන assets එක මොනවාද non current assets මොනවාද current assets මොනවාද අන්න ඒකයි පෙන්නන්නේ. එතකොට ඔයා මෙතනට ලියන්න ඕන අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම stock as of 31st 12 2024 not 1st of January 2024, right? It is a opening. In here we should show the um, stock as at 31st 12 2024. Stock, it may be stock, liabilities, equity, anything we should show as at 31st 12 2024, right? Remember that, right? Then this is stock as at actually I forgot it. In here lastly they said assume that the entire stock has been sold out. ඒ කියන්නේ ළමයි මෙතන ස්ටොක් එකක් තියෙන්න පුළුවන්ද අන්තිමට මෙතන ස්ටොක් එකක් තියෙන්න පුළුවන්ද as at 31st 2024 නැහැ මොකද අපිට මේ question එකේ අන්තිමට කියලා දෙනවා finally they said assume that the entire stock has been sold out. ඒ කියන්නේ ආයේ closing stock එකක් තියෙන්න විදියක් නැහැ because all the stock has been sold out, right? Then there is no any final stock, but in here I take this first of 20 January 2024 stock. I get how much 60,000 because I want to find the cost of sales. For the purpose of getting cost of sales, we know there is some method. So in here we should add the opening balance, right? Opening balance of stock and the purchases 395,000 and carriage inwards 15,000 and yeah, and the sales commission, where is the sales commission goes to? It should be under the distribution expense because this expense related to selling goods. Therefore sales commission comes under the distribution expenses, sales commissions. Right, it is 9,000. And the insurance expense, it is goes to the administration expenses. Right, it is 12,000. And the rent income, there is other income, rent income 30,000. And discount received, it is also other income, discount received. Discount received is 6,000. And also sales, the sales 650,000. අපි sales සමසිස්සම දාන්නේ මේ කෙරෝල තමයි. අපි කෙරෝල තීරුවේ තමයි අපි මේ sales එක දාන්නේ. And also discount given, it is also selling purpose expense, discount given, it is 3,000. And machinery and equipment, it is non-current assets. Machinery and equipment, it is 120,000. And buildings is 500,000. Bank loan, it is non-current liability. Bank loan is 160,000. 160,000. And then bank overdraft, it is current liability. Bank overdraft is 20,000. 20,000. And cash in hand, it is current assets. Cash in hand is 155,000. 155,000. And bad debts is it is relevant to distribution expense. Bad debts, it is expense, it is 7,000. And salaries administration, it is 25,000. And bank charges, it is financial expenses. Bank charges, it is financial expenses. Bank charges is 4,000. 4,000. Right. Now we calculate the gross profit. In here, there the cost of all the stock is sorry, 5, 5, 10, 16, 2, 11, 12, 426. 426,000 is the cost of sale, because they said all the stocks have been sold. Therefore, no final or closing stock. Therefore, this all the cost of this stock should be taken as cost of sale. Then the gross profit is gross profit is 224,000. Then the other income is 36,000, right? 36,000. Then 260,000. Then distribution expense is 19,000. And the 37,000. And the 4,000. And finally, profit is in here. How much? This is all the value of all the expenses is 60,000, right? I think 60,000. Then the deduct this 60,000 from this 260. Then the profit is 200,000. This is the profit for the year. Profit for the year, right? 200,000. This is a net profit, right? Net profit. This is the net profit, right? And now, yeah, all the assets parts completed, and The non-current asset is 620,000 and the current asset is 189,000. Yeah, 809,000 is total assets, right? Yeah, and the liabilities. mm, 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 Then the this capital is the uh, 1st of January 2024 capital in here. Capital 400,000 plus profit for the year 200,000. In total equity is 600,000. ළමයි මට මොනවා හරි මගහැරලා තියනවාද බලන්න හොඳට. බලමු ආ මුලින්ම capital 400,000. Trade debtors 34,000. Trade creditors 45,000. And stock asset first. Okay, it's okay. And purchases 395,000. And carriage invoice 15,000. And the sales commission sales commission 9,000 this expense. Okay. And the insurance expense 12,000. Right. And rent income 30,000. Discount received 6,000. And the sales 650,000. Discount given 3,000. Machinery and equipment 120,000. And buildings 500,000. And bank loan to be settled after 4 years 160,000. Right. And interest expense 16,000. මෙතනට interest expense එක මම දාලා නෑ ළමයි. interest expense එකක් මෙතනට එනවා. interest expense එක. ඒ කියන්නේ මගේ ඉල්ල තියෙන්නේ interest expense එක එන්න ඕන 16,000 එක මන් දාලා නැහැ. ඔන්න දැන් මේ යවුවනේ. ඒක 20,000 එනවා මේක. හරි 20,000 එනවා. එතකොට එතන 184,000 තමයි 184,000 තමයි මේ profit එක එන්නේ 184,000 184,000 then 500 680 84,000 is a total equity. Then this balance, yeah, then this balance to 809,000 ඔන්න දැන් හරි ඔන්න සමාන වුණා